Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, okay, so you probably remember me doing an unboxing, not an unboxing, like a magazine haul type thing, and yeah, this video is straight after that. So I have been busy taking out all the die cuts from the sheets, and I've cut some paper down. So yeah, I am using 5x5 cards because that's what I've got at the moment next to me. I need to go and get some more actually because I've got none left. So we're just going to get started and see where this leads. I have no plan apart from the papers I've already cut to size. So yeah, I've got my glue. So we're just going to get to sticking. These are gorgeous papers, by the way. So let's do, oh look at that, isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. So the card bases that you got in this card making kit are a bit flimsy for like a card base, so I've cut them down and I'm going to use them as a mat for the base of my card. It should be fairly quick, this video, we'll see. Now the patterned paper. Right, I need to be quick anyway. I don't want to rush, but I do need to be quick. My son is coming for tea. Right, that's not level one little bit. And then the scrap bits that I cut off the end, I'm using them as well. Why not? And that is just going to sit that level. No, not at all, Claire. How about that? There we go. That'll do. Right, so what are we putting on? Well, I need a sentiment. One colour. I do like that. That's nice. So I need sentiment, don't I? Let me just get my little box of sentiments here. Oh, I've got a lovely happy birthday. Awesome. And we have some flowers. So let's maybe do that. And we have some little flowers, so quick and easy. A bit of pepper on there. Flowers. I've got a ball. You get the balls, but you only get one tiny little pink one. That's too small. You do get hearts. I don't want a heart. Oh, I don't know what to do. What if I did that? Get these little flowers again. Oh, that's quite pretty. Yeah, and I have got some butterfly stickers. So I've got this gorgeous pink one. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? A girly card. Very pretty. So we'll stick that on there and then I'll stick that down. So how is everybody doing today? I'm not too sure when this will be going up. But like I said, my son is coming for his tea today. He's bringing his gorgeous little poochie, Murphy. I love that name. Yeah. And I forgotten what I was going to say now. Never mind. Kind of been important. That's what my mum used to say. Still does. If you can't remember what you were going to say, it wasn't important enough to say. Or something like that. And a gorgeous pink butterfly just there. Oh, that's nice and sweet, isn't it? Very simple. I need a couple of girly birthday cards anyway. So yeah, there's my first one. Ooh. Normally takes me ages to get around using my like magazine freebies. So I thought, it's on my desk. I'm not going to put it away. Let's just play with it. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm using the same colours on my second card. Just a little bit different. Look at that. That beautiful. I think I might use that bow on here. Might put that direction, I think, yeah. Make it a bit different. Sorry, I'm chomping on a Werther's Original. My favourite sweets. Just getting it straight as can be. Right, so we've got that little ball. Wish it was a little bit bigger. And oh, I've got this Best Wishes. Could use that. Okay. Maybe I've got a flower, so I could put flower there. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Got this one. No, I haven't got any more little flowers. No, I think that's it. Very simple. Yeah. And this one, I'm going to put this flower up on some dimension because I forgot it was there. Otherwise, I'd have used it on the other one. Yeah. So, completely forgot. I might put a butterfly on this one as well because I've got some more butterflies there. So, this is on dimension. Haven't used these sticky squares for ages. I have got some, but that's not even coming off. It's left the backing on there. That's not good. There we are. Yeah, I've got a drawer full of that's okay. Sticky squares. Are you going to come off? Yeah. But I don't use them. I tend to use cardboard more than anything else, really. They're hard to get off these, aren't they? There we are. So, pretty flower there. Oh, that's lovely. Shall I put this up on dimension? I think I will. Let's see if it'll fit or if I've got to cut it down. Ah, it fit. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there, and I've got some gorgeous butterflies here. Yeah, I think the lighter one. Yeah, just there, and there we go. Quick, well, quick for me anyway. It's not normally this quick. Right, put that there. So there are my two cards. I like them. And this was Stencil and Card Pack by Crafts Beautiful. And they have made some beautiful cards, haven't they? Quick and easy. Yeah, I like a lot. So that is it. I'll probably be on again with another magazine one, because I have got this one and I want to do a box card, you know, like one of those surprise box cards. Yeah, that will be interesting, because it's got a lot of die cut pieces in. I thought they would look nice on one of those. I don't know if it's called a box card, but it's like a set. It bursts out the top of it. Yeah, awesome. So that will be probably my next magazine card kit video. Might be, might not be. I don't know, because I don't know when this is going to go off. So yeah, stop waffling, Claire. You finished. Okay, I'm off. I'm going. If you enjoyed watching, then it's lovely. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.